Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Desmond, also known as The Best. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to go about the week 6 tax on Argent wallet. Alright, so basically this is actually my second video or tutorial video, and I would like you guys to actually hit the like button and subscribe as we get down to business. Alright. So basically, you head on to the Xplorer blog site. That's argent.xyz/blog/explorer. So on this page, you actually find other weekly tags that we have already done. And so the new one now is just this briq week 6 tags. So basically, we are building a briq. We are building something with bricks, and we are using a minimum of 30 bricks to build stuff on Starknet mainnet, and you have to do that from 6th to 13th. All right, so head on to this link here. This is it. All right, so make sure your briq tool is already selected right here, then you can start building stuff. But then you should also try and make it at least beautiful. Now, you don't know, this is Web3. In due time, it might worth something actually cool, because you're actually paying for this. It's close to $6 for the 30 bricks. Alright, you can actually look around and see what you're building. It's actually pretty cool though. Let's pick up our tool again and place something here, here, and here. Can drop it, move it around, you know, build something really cool. Let's pick up another color here, and this and this and this. Look at your count there, it should be up to 30 bricks. Please take note of it. And then this one here, this one here. Let's look around and see. It's cool. It's cool. Let's place some other ones here. Here, 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 here. I'm really not good with art though. I'm not that good with art, man. Let's just see, we have 20 bricks already. Alright, let me pick up another color. Let's say this. Let's see. Pick up another color. Let's place this here. And let's choose another color. Let's put yellow there. Alright, you have built something. So you just go straight towards minting out stuff. Let's look. Actually pretty cool. Looks like a staircase. Alright, so make sure you have close to $6 on your wallet, and then click on mint. I hope my wallet is connected. Alright, it's already connected, so you can actually edit the name here. Give it any name you want. Let me just give it the best something. Give us briq 2. I already minted mine though, so I'm not going to spend that $6 just like that, you know. You can actually give it a description and then click on mint. You agree to the terms, click on buy and mint. So it's going to cost you close to $6. Alright, once I build my password, I click on mint and it's done. So once you're done, you wait for snapshot to be taken. I think it should be taken from June 13th. Alright, so once snapshot is taken and claiming starts, just like this place, you come down here, and click on, it should be around somewhere here. Click on claim when you're done. So thank you guys for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Please hit the like button if you liked the video. I will try as much as possible to drop more tutorial videos like this. All right, the subscription and likes are actually encouragement. Okay guys, thanks for watching.